nobody has ever came to my face like telling me like I did something, because I don't do shit. Like, people make shit up and talk shit behind my back, yes, but the reason why people have never confronted me with anything is because they ain't got nothing to confront me with.
I dodge dick on the daily. Yeah, I know it's funny, but it's true.
So hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So obviously I am gonna be eating tacos and asada fries today, and I have an horchata, even though I only drink water. But let's see how this horchata goes, because sometimes they just be using the horchata, you know, the one that you buy in the packets. Like, that's not real horchata, let me tell you. Ooh. Like, my mom and one of my cousins, like, they know how to make the really good one, like from scratch. I don't know how they do it, but it's good. This one, I don't know if it's the packet or if it's the real one. But anyways, let me put the sauce on my tacos first. Oh, they didn't give me any red sauce. That's annoying. Ooh, what's that noise? I need more of this. How dare they only give me 2? Oh, that's so annoying. Well, anyways, I'm just preparando my tacos, my taquitos, which I really like tacos. Like, well, you know what, honestly, I like all food basically. Okay. And then these I'm really picky with, because sometimes they have like a weird taste. Oh, I don't like that one. Ugh. It's not even spicy. It just has like weird seasoning. I don't know. And some cilantro, which I heard a lot. Like, how you guys eat your tacos? Because I heard some people, they don't even put shit on their tacos. Sad ass, plain ass tacos. My brother and my obviously my little sister, they only put like fucking limon. They don't put any salsa or anything, girl. I'm salt bae. But yeah, so when I asked you guys if you guys wanted me to do a taco mukbang, most people said yes. And then when I asked street tacos or Taco Bell, thank God most of you guys said street tacos, because I mean, I fuck with Taco Bell, but street tacos are way better, in my opinion. These are not even like finely cut, they're like messy. I got the hiccups already. Well, these are getting cold. Let me, ooh, wow. I don't really like sour cream. I should have said no sour cream. Fuck. That was good. My dog's already asking for food. He already knows the drill. So since I never go and pick up my food, he knows whenever they ring the bell, it's because we got food. These are really good. That's just snacks. But anyhow, how have you guys been? I always ask that. That's how I always begin my videos. How have you guys been? I don't like double tortilla. For what? Jesus. I forgot to take a thumbnail. Oops. I don't know. Well, I already... I miss tacos. I think this is the first time that I've eaten tacos in like months. Since like, I think since maybe like October. Jesus. I'm mad that they didn't give me any red salsa. This needs like a little bit of kick to it. Do y'all like radish? I like it. But I know a lot of people don't. A mess. Yeah, they're on my legs, so don't exaggerate. But anyways, what I'm gonna be talking today is my high school life. My life in high school, which I didn't really have a life in high school because I would always ditch, but we're gonna talk about that. I don't know if I mentioned this, but Tacos de Gallitos in San Pedro. And I'm up on the hill, so I had never seen it. But it came out on my... I don't know if I ordered DoorDash or Uber Eats, but it came out. And I was just like, okay, let's try it. But anyways, let's talk. So in high school, I literally would ditch. Like, I would go to school maybe twice a week, if that. But, disclaimer, like, I never got an F or a D. Like, the lowest grade I got was a C. And honestly, school is so easy to me. Like, if I would have actually gone to school and, like, cared about school, like, I could totally, like, get straight A's. Because when I actually, junior year, I actually started caring about school. Like, for just that year. And then senior year, I fell off again. But I went to school and I actually cared and I got straight A's. And it wasn't that hard. And I was taking, like, 3 APs. So... So school's real easy for me. I just don't give a fuck. Well, now I do. So now I'm doing good in college. But anyways, so I was always ditching school. And I feel like I didn't really have friends. Like, I had friends when I was in school. But, like, most of my school friends I never talked to out of school. He wants food. Most of my school friends I never talked to, like, out of school. So they were just come here. Where did you go? Most of my school friends I never talked to out of school. So I don't even know if they were really my friends. Actually, that's a lie. I did have good friends in high school. But I feel like every year in high school, like I had different friends. Because freshman year, I was really, really, really close with Beth. Like Lily Beth, if you're watching, hi. Like first semester. And then like I kind of, well, I don't know. I was with Lily Beth, but I was also with like a bunch of like weird story times about them will come soon. Weird ass people. A mistake. But and then actually freshman year I was friends with like I would talk to like almost everyone, like from different groups. And like I kind of like started like isolating myself because I didn't really like, I can't, because I don't know, I always hung out with older people, so I couldn't relate to like what these children were talking about. And like I don't know, their mentality, like I can't relate. But I would talk to people. People were cool. Honestly, it was just me. Like, I'm not gonna blame the people. It was just me. And also, like, a lot of people, which, like, everywhere, like, people, they're just, like, two-faced. Like, I know hella people would always be talking about me, like, left and right at my school. Like, hello, like the school's not that big for you not to know. But nobody ever said shit to me to my face. So, I was honestly, like, I would tell my friend, one of my friends, well, I would tell all my friends basically, like I want someone to come and say some shit to my face. So like I wanted to fight someone, okay, in high school, but nobody ever did. But for sure everyone ran their mouth when I wasn't there though, for sure. That's a fact. Like I was famous, I was popular. I was in everybody's mouth. And honestly, like when I was a freshman and stuff, all the seniors, every single one, juniors too, sophomores too, everyone was in my DMs, everybody was in my messages. I have dick pics of probably like everyone at school, but everybody still managed to talk shit about me, and that's funny. And especially guys. Like it was really popular in my school to call me a hoe, and that was real funny because I didn't fuck with any of them, so I don't know how I was a hoe, but go off. And yeah, that was like really a thing, like freshman year. But you know what, honestly, it was kind of my fault, but I would lead people on, but like it's your dumb fault for letting yourself get led on. And then when people would find out, well, like, oh, I'm just leading them on, they'll be hurt, and then they'll make up stuff, but whatever. But literally, like, I had, like, I don't keep their dick pics, but like literally almost every single guy that was a senior, almost, and that they weren't nerds, like I had their dick pics. Because I was that bitch. And I didn't even realize I was the bitch at that time. But yeah, and that's what happened. But also, to be honest, I was like in a relationship basically all of high school. So when these guys would be together, make me like, I was never really public about my relationship. So nobody fucking knew. And these guys were like so stupid. But yeah, I was in a relationship from literally from freshman year till senior year. Ugh, but we're gonna talk about that in another video because that's a long ass story. These are good. I don't know if I'm tripping, but these are good as fuck. But as soon as I got out of a relationship, bitch, I was living my best life. Best believe that. And it's funny, you know, like when girls get out of relationships, like they're really sad, like the first couple of weeks, and then the guy, this one got destroyed. Okay, fine, I'm gonna have to use both tortillas. My camera is fucking tripping and it's not letting me record, so I'm recording with my phone now. But anyways, hopefully it works on my phone because I have too much pictures on my phone and too much shit. But yeah, I forgot what I was talking about, so let's just change the subject. In high school, oh my god, let me tell you guys. I guess I'll tell you guys a story time. Or like kind of a story time. In high school, I had this girl who I was really close friends with. And she started taking my man, but that's a whole other story. I was gonna tell you right now, but I have to give you guys the background and I don't want to. I have a question for you guys. Give me 1 second. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like if you're friends, when people who talk shit about you, are they really your friend? Because in my head, they're not. Because most people, they'll not stand up for you. Most people are little pussies and they'll just stay quiet and like just be quiet, you know. And I don't think that's a friend. And I know a lot of people would disagree with me, but I don't think that's a friend. I don't think I want someone like that around me. Cause that's also my thing, like, so many people don't like me. And most of the time, like, they literally, they talk so much shit, they make so much shit up. And, like, literally, I give them no reason. No reason. Like, I don't like drama. I don't entertain drama. But somehow, I always get, my name's always in somebody's mouth. And I don't even know how, like, I don't even be talking to nobody. Like, hello. But I guess I'm always doing something, right? And it's so annoying because it's been like that, like, my whole life. Like, I really be doing nothing, minding my business. Like, I don't like that Like, I don't like people like that to be like doing the most. No. But somehow I'm always doing something bad. Some bitch, oh my god, some bitch that I've known since like 3rd grade. She had the audacity to say, she told one of my other friends, which I don't even know she's my friend, because like I said, like I don't think friends who are friends with people who talk shit about you are your friends. But anyways, she told one of my friends like, oh, well, you know how Minerva is, she's always so involved in drama. Like, no, bitch, like, no, I'm not. Like, people are always trying to involve me in their drama. I be minding my business. Like, I really, like, if people, nobody has ever came to my face, like, telling me, like, I did something. Because I don't do shit. Like, people make shit up and talk shit behind my back, yes. But the reason why people have never confronted me with anything is because they ain't got nothing to confront me with. And I have hella receipts and hella things that I can confront people with. And I don't. Because, like, I'm not going to stoop down to people's level. Like, it's not that serious. Like, keep it pushing. I'm not that kind of person. But that's just me. I don't know. So, I guess I love drama, right? Sometimes that shit annoys me. But that has happened like my whole life. That's been my whole life. So now it doesn't even like, it doesn't really faze me. Like, I'm used to it. Like, run your mouth, go say whatever you gotta say. Until you say it to my face, it's like, I don't give a fuck. Because not one time, not once has anybody came and said shit to my face. Never. And wonder why. I don't be doing shit. I really don't be doing shit, but it's funny. I'm gonna give this meat to my dog, cuz. Dog. Dog. My dog's name is Dog. Dog. His name's not actually Dog. I'm just, he'll come to anything. Okay, let's give him this. Hey. Anyways, yeah, so that's just tea. Like, controversy has always been around me, and at this point I just thrive off controversy. I don't give a fuck. Like, I really don't. Like, and that makes people more mad, I feel, because they trying to get me angry and it doesn't work. So they just, I don't know, I feel like they run out of things to make up about me. Jesus, I don't know how they don't run out of things to make up about me, because usually it's the same people who got my name in their mouth, honestly. Kind of full. To be honest with you guys, this is my second mukbang today. I'm gonna get really fat and explode, and nobody's gonna want me. Richie will still want me if I'm fat. So I guess I'll just go back to him. Oh, hell no. I'd rather be alone. Richie's a good friend, but he's not a good boyfriend. However, my mom and my little sister and my little brother are so in love with him. I'm gonna do a mukbang with them and watch. Y'all gonna hear them. And me and my mom have gotten really close. And I tell her like all my tea and all my crazy things, because I don't know, like I'd rather expose myself before somebody goes and like changes the story up like they always do. So I tell my mom like straight up like everything that I be doing. And so she knows I'm crazy. And I be telling her, and now she thinks that I'm the bad person. She thinks that me and Richie broke up because I cheated on him or something. And she didn't say it like that, but I was just like, no honey, like we're still friends. And then she was like, ay Minerva, no seas mala. She says that like I'm just leading him on. I'm just like, definitely not. At all. Like he is not the victim here. But yeah. I can't finish that. I ate too much today already. I don't know. Like asada fries after they get cold, they're not good. So I'm gonna have to throw this away. Yeah, I would say I'll give them to like a homeless. But I live in the hill. There's no homeless. And I would give them to the dogs, but it has like dairy. I don't give my dogs dairy. So we're gonna have to go to the trash. And I feel so bad. But anyways, stay tuned for the next video. The next video is probably gonna be my best friend tried to take my man or something like that, because that's the story that I'm gonna do next. Or the next video might be me addressing my mental health issues, which I'm actually doing really good with, like as you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can notice, but I'm in a much better like state of mind and emotionally. I'm good. I'm doing okay. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications down below so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you. Bye. I am so full.